Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the much anticipated 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350. This iconic motorcycle has long been a symbol of classic styling and rugged performance, and the latest model promises to blend tradition with modern technology. Let's explore what makes this bike a standout in the crowded motorcycle market. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Bullet 350 retains its classic charm while introducing subtle design enhancements. The timeless silhouette is complemented by a more streamlined fuel tank and updated LED lighting, providing a fresh yet familiar look. The iconic round headlamp and minimalist instrument cluster pay homage to its heritage, while the vibrant color options give riders a chance to express their individuality. The attention to detail, from the leather seat to the chrome accents, makes this bike a head-turner on the road. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Bullet 350 is powered by a refined 349cc single-cylinder engine, delivering a satisfying mix of power and torque. With improved fuel injection technology, the new model promises better efficiency and smoother throttle response. Riders can expect an exhilarating experience, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The 5-speed transmission ensures a comfortable ride at various speeds, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned riders. Comfort and technology. Royal Enfield has taken rider comfort seriously in the 2025 model. The upgraded suspension system, featuring telescopic forks in the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, provides a smooth ride over rough terrain. The ergonomics have been carefully designed, ensuring a relaxed riding position for long journeys. Moreover, the introduction of a modern digital analog instrument cluster offers essential information at a glance, including a trip meter and fuel gauge, blending classic aesthetics with contemporary technology. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350 successfully marries tradition with innovation. It remains a symbol of classic motorcycling while incorporating modern features that enhance both performance and safety. Whether you're a loyal fan of the brand or a newcomer, this bike is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Until next time, ride safe. Thanks for joining BikeZone.